Garmin Golf App is a convenient and easy-to-use golf app. You can upload scorecards from Garmin Golf devices, which enables you to check scorecards on your phone anytime. This video will teach you how to pair your device and upload scorecard to Garmin Golf. First, download and install Garmin Golf App and Garmin Connect mobile app. Open Garmin Golf and log in with your Garmin Connect account. If you don't have an account, create a new account. After login is successful, you can start pairing device. First, select More at the bottom right. Select Garmin devices. Select Add device. Select the device you want to pair. An instruction will appear on screen. Select OK to open Garmin Connect Mobile. On Garmin Connect Mobile, select Add device. Search and select the device you want to pair. Follow screen instructions to complete pairing. After pairing is successful, select Done. It will automatically jump back to Garmin Golf. You can see the device paired successfully. After the device is synced with the app, select Scorecards to check the scorecards uploaded from the device to Garmin Golf. If you are entering a scorecard on the device while connected, the scores will appear on Garmin Golf simultaneously. That was all about the pairing process of Garmin Golf. To understand how to read the scorecard, please refer to other videos in this series. Thanks for watching.